Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel BL the Short and Sweet in Chemistry. Now I am going to explain part 17 where that is unknown basic radical analysis 11 number. Now here when we are proceeding for basic radical analysis, we have to proceed physical test, dry test and wet test for the given salt, that is basic radical analysis. Now first physical test, the color is green and structure is crystalline and solubility in water. That means the given salt, the color is green and crystalline soluble in water. From that green indicates that it may be nickel. So dry test for basic radical. Dry test, there are two important tests. One is dry test, other one is wet test. Dry test for basic radical, here we will see first dry test tube heating, where simply salt is taken in a test tube and heated strongly. No white residue is formed. If no white residue is formed, that means Ba plus 2, Ca plus 2, Al plus 3 absent. Then we will proceed to soda lime test. In soda lime test, here you will observe before soda lime test also, here we can find other important point, change to yellow color. That means change to yellow, the salt color change to green color, change to yellow color, which indicates that is Pb plus 2 or Zn plus 2 or nickel plus 2. Now no black precipitate, no black means copper plus 2, Co plus 2, Mn plus 2 absent. No ammonia smell means NH4 plus 1 absent. That means it indicates it may be nickel and zinc. Nickel plus 2 and zinc plus 2. Then we will proceed to soda lime test. First of all, dry test tube heating. There are 3 points, and next is soda lime test. A pinch of the salt is taken and added sodium hydroxide heater. No ammonia smell. That means NH4 plus 1 absent. Then we will proceed to charcoal cavity test. Mix the pinch of the salt with sodium carbonate, then put on the charcoal cavity and shown to the oxidizing flame. No white residue. Important point in charcoal cavity. If white residue, then you proceed to cobalt nitrate also. But since no white precipitate, we can't proceed to cobalt nitrate test. And here, what may be absent? That means Ba plus 2, Sr plus 2, Mg plus 2 absent, and may also Zn plus 2 may be absent. After that, we will proceed to cobalt nitrate test. And since no white residue is formed in cavity, so cobalt nitrate test is not necessary. This is very, very important. If no white residue is formed, this test is not necessary. Flame test. Flame test, what is that one? You take platinum wire dipped in concentrated HCl salt solution, remember salt solution should be taken and salt solution and heated with NaOH. If NaOH heated, no ammonia smell. That is why zero group is absent. Zero group means NH4 plus 1 is absent. Then you will proceed to first group. If first group absent, proceed to second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, like this. So to this salt solution for the second first group, added dilute. Important point, added dilute HCl. So first group, what is the group reagent? Added dilute HCl. And no white precipitate. So dilute HCl is the group reagent. No white precipitate. So group 1 absent. If group 1 absent means solution are ammonium hydroxide